Have you ever felt stuck trying to get the perfect answer from ChatGPT, only to be disappointed by vague or off-target responses? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into a revolutionary way to automate prompt knowledge using graph structures. This approach doesn't just tweak your prompts, it fundamentally changes how AI understands and reasons, making your chatbot or agent smarter and more adaptable. We'll walk through the core concepts, real-world challenges, and a hands-on demo that will change how you think about AI prompt engineering. Let's get started and see how graphs can blow your mind, too. Many of us have experienced the frustration of asking an AI model a question and getting answers that just don't hit the mark. The issue isn't always with how the prompt is written, but often with the structure of the question itself. Ill-structured questions can confuse even the most advanced language models, leading to inconsistent or irrelevant responses. This is especially true for complex or specialized topics where the model's internal knowledge may be lacking. As time passes, these limitations become more apparent, especially for those building AI agents for business or personal use. One popular method to improve AI reasoning is the chain of thought approach. Here, you prompt the model to think step by step, breaking down complex problems into manageable pieces. While this can unlock more logical responses, it still relies heavily on the model's existing knowledge. When faced with highly specialized or domain-specific tasks, the model often falls short, unable to provide the depth or accuracy needed. This highlights the need for a more dynamic and knowledge-rich solution. To address knowledge gaps, Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, was introduced. This technique allows the AI to pull in relevant information from external databases, supplementing its internal knowledge. While this can improve factual accuracy, simply dumping large amounts of text into the model doesn't always enhance its reasoning or decision-making abilities. The model may still struggle to connect the dots or apply the information effectively. Researchers soon realized that graph structures offer a more powerful way to represent and reason about knowledge. Unlike plain text, graphs can map out relationships and causal links between concepts, making it easier for AI to navigate complex information. From chain of knowledge to reasoning on graphs, these methods guide the model through structured paths, improving both understanding and output quality. However, traditional graph-based systems have their own limitations, often relying on static and complete databases. In reality, expert knowledge is rarely perfect or complete. Domain experts may have partial information, and their knowledge can even contain errors. Traditional graph-based AI systems only allow information to flow one way from the knowledge base to the model. This means that any biases or mistakes in the graph get reinforced over time, making it harder for the system to adapt or improve based on new data. To overcome these challenges, researchers at Johns Hopkins developed Ego Prompt. This innovative system treats expert knowledge as something flexible and evolving, not fixed. Ego Prompt starts with a causal graph created by experts, but it doesn't stop there. As the system processes real data, it continuously updates both the prompts and the graph, learning and correcting itself along the way. This creates a feedback loop that makes the AI smarter and more accurate over time. Ego Prompt's workflow is both simple and powerful. When a new case is introduced, the system first generates a semantic causal graph, mapping out how different factors might influence each other. The first model, acting as an analyst, scans this graph and extracts only the most relevant causal chains for the current case. Irrelevant information is filtered out automatically. Then, a second model, the decision maker, uses this focused information to make a more informed judgment. After the decision maker model makes its prediction, the system compares the result to the ground truth. If the prediction is wrong, a powerful mentor model steps in. This mentor generates a detailed improvement report, highlighting what went wrong and suggesting specific changes to the prompts or the causal graph. The system then automatically updates itself, adding, deleting, or modifying nodes and relationships in the graph. This feedback loop repeats, making the AI smarter with each cycle. Ego Prompt stands out because its Semantic Causal Graph, SCG, is a directed acyclic graph where each node represents a semantic block like diabetes or low blood sugar, and edges represent causal relationships. The initial graph doesn't need to be perfect or complete. The system is designed to evolve, correcting and expanding the graph as it learns from real-world data. This flexibility reduces the burden on human experts and allows the AI to reach high accuracy over time. Think of Ego Prompt as a coevolution process involving a student, a textbook, and a mentor. The LLM acts as the student, learning to reason with cues and diagrams. The SCG is the textbook, which can be revised and corrected. The text gradient, or mentor's notes, drives the evolution by providing feedback and guiding improvements. This dynamic interaction ensures that both the AI and its knowledge base grow smarter together. To bring Ego Prompt to life, you start by setting up your environment and importing the necessary libraries. You'll configure your experiment, define your dataset, and initialize both the evaluation and test models. The system is designed for iterative prompt optimization, where weaker models' outputs are graded by a stronger one. This setup allows for continuous improvement and testing, ensuring that each iteration brings you closer to optimal performance. The core of Ego Prompt's power lies in its training loop. Each iteration involves evaluating the model's performance, running the main training loop, and updating prompts based on feedback. Multiple experiments can be run in parallel, each trying different random restarts to find the best prompt configuration. The system tracks validation and test scores, always aiming to improve with each cycle. This process ensures that the AI doesn't just memorize data, it learns and adapts. By the end of the training cycles, Ego Prompt delivers a smarter, more adaptive AI agent. Unlike traditional rote learning, this system encourages exploration, learning from mistakes, and continuous self-improvement. The result is an agent that can approach the truth through its own efforts, making it a powerful tool for both business and personal applications. The flexibility and feedback-driven evolution set a new standard for AI prompt engineering. Ego Prompt represents a major leap forward in AI prompt engineering. By embracing imperfect knowledge, encouraging learning through mistakes, and providing a robust reflection and correction mechanism, it allows intelligent agents to grow and adapt like never before. Whether you're building chatbots for business or experimenting with personal projects, this approach offers a path to truly intelligent, reasoning AI. The future of AI is not just about memorizing data, it's about learning, evolving, and getting closer to real understanding.